One, you never clear for your eye now. So you don't clear for your eye. Say, Kama, know everybody name and address. Go on, you never clear for your eye.
If you know that you are lovers of a good thing, if you know that you are lovers of freedom, please help me and share this particular video. Share this video and drop your thoughts under the comment section, because if you see wetin this our brother talk in this video concerning what Yakubu Gowon did to Biafrans when they were fighting, my brother, you no go believe wetin they talk. So just take some of your time and listen to him and see the kind message wey he sent to Yakubu Gowon for what is happening right now in Plateau State. So thank you, and God bless you. Continue to share and like, and do not forget to also tell us your opinion. Please, I dey beg you, tell us your opinion.
Ọchịchị ga-esi n'aka Ojukwu bịa, onye eze anya chọọ ọchịchị Gowon ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. Gowon, you never clear for your eye now. So you don't clear for your eye. Say, Kama, know everybody name and address. Gowon, you never clear for your eye. Never clear for your eye. Plateau State and just the hot, abi? Now the country where you use all your life, secure one Nigeria and be this. Now the hero of our level, how they take recite them. The suffer of our heroes, he don't waste. I know they laughing at Plateau people, guy. Una brother use all in life and in blood to defend one Nigeria. See him today. Now the one Nigeria be this. And the one Nigeria, una they benefit them. Anytime una gather together, they preach about one Nigeria. You are digging your collective grave. Anytime una day 2, 3, they say one Nigeria. Una join hand together with shovel, they dig una grave. Yakubu Gowon, you never see anything, no. You never see anything. God will keep you alive, Baba. You go reach 120 years. You go use your eyes, see what thing you fight for.
So that is the main reason why this B-Lord matter no even concern me at all, because imagine B-Lord went as far as insulting the Biafra leader, who is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You understand? For no reason. This man wey you know say, okay, even if you dey do your thing, where you dey do all your nonsense, where you dey do online, you think say na cruise you dey catch. Look at the video here.
Yeah.
So that is the video when B-Lord they use because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey prison, they mock him. Why? This is a man wey be say wey put his life in the front line to make sure say his people get liberation, his people get freedom. You know, if na rich, B-Lord no rich pass Nnamdi Kanu. If na connection, if na travel, if na power, if na anything, but that man decide. This is a man wey no be, he get a citizenship for outside though, but yes, he decide to, stand for a people. You B-Lord wey be say you now today use your app to do nonsense. No impact, no good impact on the youth. Nobody wey don help. You get the mouth to mock, the mind to mock Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Biafra. It no go really better for B-Lord. No go better for you allegedly. No go better for you, B-Lord. I swear to God. Now, very dark man go really teach you a lesson of your life. Go really teach you. At least, the swear what I swear for you, say you go dey that prison for 26 days before they'll talk about your mother. So that next time, how dare you, how dare you insult the Biafra leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Do you know the impact that man has made to the life of the youth? They want yourself. No, say it matter na political. Yuba, don't worry.
We will continue to make sure they do not succeed in the plot to continue to derail this freedom we got. They know what they're doing.
They do.
Anyone at this point does not know about where the true freedom of 80 million Biafrans lies. That person is deceiving themselves. Do not waste your second in educating such people. They know, they are fully aware But the thing is, they decided on their own either to just keep quiet, to stay out of it, or to be used by the Nigerian state or the delegitimized governors to derail what we are doing. They will promise them contracts. They will give them money. They will bribe them. Remember, Nigeria has a way of bribing their way into everywhere, just like they bribe their way into the United Nations, and the United Nations come up publicly to say they support the reintegration of terrorists into Nigeria. That is bribery. That is money there. So do not be misled by the way Nigeria bribe their way into every organization, every country, and into individuals. It is our task to stop those that they bribe. Will they bribe them? Yes. Will those people take the money in Nigeria, give them? Yes. But it is our duty as Biafrans to make sure that we stop those people whom Nigeria are bribing from being in Biafra territory, and also from derailing what we are doing by recognizing them wherever they rear their ugly heads. Any contract that is in Biafra territory, we must make sure they don't participate. We will drive them away from our land. Any country, organization, individual that takes any contract, oil contract from the Nigerian state, and that contract will happen in the old southeast, south part of Nigeria, which is the Biafra territory. I'm telling you to go take back, cancel that contract, because we will drive you out from Biafra land. It's a promise. So, Assistant Kaja, I just want to let you know that those fools that are doing those things, they are the paid agent of the Nigerian state. Remember when the Ohaneze Ndigbo, Iwanyanwu, that claims he was representing Nigeria before he died, he was basically doing the same thing. It was when he knew he was close to a dying point that he now started talking about the Nigeria, the suppression and oppression Nigeria is doing to Biafran people. That's when he started confessing that Nnamdi Kanu is not the only one that is fighting for the freedom of his people. But why is it Nnamdi Kanu being locked up? Why people like Sunday Igboho, the Nigerian state, allows him to be walking around, joining APC party, mingling in the community. So the target to Biafrans are peculiar. Any Biafran that does not realize that you are a target of the Nigerian state, regardless of how you work closely with the Nigerian state, you must be the greatest fool to think that Nigeria has a place for you. So you are deceiving yourself by trying to distract Biafrans from securing their nation. We already got it. So we know them. We know those that are being used by the Nigerian state that keep thinking that, oh, Biafra will never come. Remember, it was those same people that were planted inside Briggy around the prime minister that we have in Finland. They never knew that we are going to get our declaration. They never knew we are going to declare our independence. They were waiting for 2nd of December 2024 because they already plotted and colluded with the Nigerian state to disrupt our declaration. That was why we showed them we are smarter than they are. That's why they are crying from that day till now. All those fall back, fall in, with all their deceit, with all their lies. Even when Obatobia was incarcerated, they didn't have the opportunity. All the lies that they said to him, all the criminality they plotted around, it is falling on them every single day. Darkness can never overtake light. It can never happen. So Nigerian government uses these same Biafrans. That's what I explained before. They use the divide and conquer rule. They will come inside a family of maybe 5 children, and they know that the father, the mother love 2 or 3 of them. Nigeria state will come in and bribe the other two, give them money to fight the other three. That is typical Nigeria state. That is what they are doing to some Biafrans. So when you see all these criminal elements that are pretending to be Biafrans, like all these all these criminals, the one that called Shine Baby, this is somebody, Carolina Beze, that the Prime Minister suspended publicly. The video is in the open. The Prime Minister suspended this woman because this woman was saying that the Obatobie made her have high blood pressure. She will never forgive Obatobie. This is the person Nigerian government has paid to conduct what they call the 100-men fundraising, pretending that they are doing it for Obatobie and for our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. PM and Onyedu has nothing to do with what this criminal woman is doing. Absolute nothing. Somebody, the Prime Minister, publicly in a cabinet meeting, suspended because of her craziness. She's now the one coming out to say, tell Biafra that Onyedu Nnamdi told her to lead the 100-men group for their fundraising.
With the masks.
This is a kind of, again, you begin to know why Biafra never came. And it is not far-fetched. It's not far-fetched. Because they come in different manners. So this is what the people that are paying them continue to use them to do. Deceiving, just deceiving. But Nanki Baswa, and the United States of Biafra cabinet and the 80 million Biafrans, we already are stopping them. Nowhere. All this deceit, all this evil, all this plot that they are planning to make it look as if there is something else. Onyedu Nnamdi Kanu is fully aware of the declaration of the United States of Biafra. And I have to let them know, anyone that comes to you, whether they are pretending to be somebody you know before, somebody you're knowing now, somebody you're going to know in the future, it is better. You must tell that person to go and fall under the United States of Biafra government. There is nothing that exists outside that. It is for your own interest to do that. Because nothing exists anywhere. So those that are pretending to be Onyendu's lawyers that went, I just came out from Sokoto prison. Onyendu just told me this, that, all this nonsense, all these distractors, all these people that are trying to deceive themselves, thinking they are going to derail this freedom we already got. They must stop. I know Onyendu is not telling them any of that crap. They must stop. Because that freedom which Onyendu seeks, we already got it. Unless there is another freedom Onyendu or anybody else thinks that they will get, then the person needs to tell Biafrans so that we will know you have another agenda. Unless there's another one. But if it's this freedom that you seek, which we already got, you must tell everyone coming to you to go and back up that freedom under Dr. Rabweze, the United States of Biafra cabinet, the 40 state governors, the commissioners, the Envision Elite Squad, and the mission heads. It is imperative you must do this. It will make our job easier. It will make the destruction of the Nigerian state easier. You must do that. If you're a leader, you're incarcerated. You must tell everyone coming around you, they must go and fall under the United States of Biafra government. Nothing outside this. Nothing outside this. Nothing outside this will stand. Because this is the assignment you gave us to do. Biafrans are doing it.
Yes.
And we are destroying Nigeria. You must fall in line with this assignment. Anything outside